Sir, can we start?
Yeah, I think everybody joined. Director sir, can you start?
I think Sarah joined. Yes.
Okay, I think we can start. Everybody has joined.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, now we can start. Yes.
Okay, sir. As a humble beginning towards empowerment of our society through technology to create a better tomorrow.
The Technical Committee of NIT Meghalaya presents you the annual Technical Fest Cognitia 2021. I think, therefore I am.
A very good evening to all the respected dignitaries, honored guests, professors, staffs, and students present over here. We welcome the galaxy of intellectuals, honorable guests, benevolent professors, staff, and our students to this glorious day. The scent in the air clearly smells of liberty, kindness, humanity, and everything precious and beautiful.
Cognitia. This is the platform for students to showcase their technical soundness,
An explosion of creative innovations.
an arena to compete, to excel, and to prove themselves.
An event bombarded with talents.
Everything begins with an idea. Ideas provoke imagination.
Imagination, it strives for improvement, and these together with proper implementation makes a dynamic engineer.
Cognitia sets a stage for all these dynamic NITians to perform, to innovate, to create, and to excel ultimately.
Well, Nikshita, who knows? Cognitia may cultivate many more sparkling young minds that will set gears of bright change in motion on a magnanimous scale.
Yeah, of course. Let's hope that Cognitia strikes the right chord in a magnitude so large that it sounds and amazes everybody and provokes the development of technology.
Of course. So, Nikshita, why don't you tell our audience the beautiful insights of Cognitia?
Yeah, sure. Cognitia, this is the annual technical fest of NIT Meghalaya. It is a celebration of the creative spirit and youthful energy inherent in the country's college about the victors or the vanquished. It's not about the glory or the defeat. It's about conquering your demons. It's all about upping yourself. It's about the quest for excellence. Cognitia has gradually diversified into an organization that, apart from showcasing the pinnacle of technical advancement, it strives for betterment of the society by developing an inclination of youth populace towards the current social issues through unique initiatives.
Thank you, Nikshita.
Yeah.
Today, we are overwhelmed to have in this inaugural ceremony Professor Bibhuti Bhushan Biswal, Director, National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, Shri K.J. Patel, Senior Executive Director, IFCO, Paradip, Professor Harish Chandra Das, Dean Student Welfare, National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, Dr. Amit Kumar Paul, President, Student Activity Center, and Dr. Dibyendu Adak, Vice President Technical, National Institute of Technology Meghalaya. Now, I would like to hand over the charge of the event to Dr. Amit Kumar Paul, President Student Activity Center, to take this forward.
Thank you, Team Cognitia. A very good evening to the Honorable Director of the Institute, Professor Vibhuti Bhushan Biswal, respected Chief Guest of today's function, Sri K.J. Patel, respected Dean Student Welfare, Professor Harish Das, Vice President, Student Activity Center Technical, Dr. Dibbendi Adak, my faculty colleagues of NIT Meghalaya and other institutes who joined through live streaming, my dear students from our institute as well as from other institutes across the country. On behalf of Students Activity Center of National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, I welcome you all to the 7th edition of the Institute's Annual Technical Festival, Cognitia 2021. The event will commence on 3rd October and shall continue till 8th October. We'll have 2-day full programs on 3rd and 4th October, and from 5th to 8th, the events are scheduled beyond class hours. There are many events organized under the robotics and the coding clubs of NIT Meghalaya. There will be some interesting and knowledgeful guest lectures and department level events. Such a festival may allow an engineering seed that may be hidden inside a student to grow to a plant. It allows students to apply their classroom knowledge in building equipments, models, various interesting schemes, thoughts, etc. Moreover, it's a program that is fully organized by the student of the institute, headed by student council members. This will also nurture the organizational ability of the students, which may help them in their future endeavors. Many of the events of this Cognitia are open, and students from across the institutes are participating. Such an event has a great opportunity of exchange of knowledge among the students from various institutes. Overall, I'm very much looking forward to this event and wish all the success to Cognitia 2021. May I now request respected Dean Student Welfare Professor Harish Das to say a few words in this occasion. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Amit. Good evening to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the inaugural function of Annual Technical Festival, Cognitia 2011, Mr. Kirti Kumar Jasbhai Patel, the Senior Executive Director of IFCO, a multi-state cooperative society. Respected Director of NIT Meghalaya, Professor B.B. Biswal, President, the Student Activity Center of NIT Meghalaya, Dr. Amit Kumar Pal, Vice President of the Student Activity Center, Dr. Dibbendu Adak, my colleague faculty members, staffs, and the most affectionate students of NIT Meghalaya and other institute participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am Professor Harish Chandra Das, Professor, Dean and Students Welfare, extends a hearty welcome to all the participants and delegates on behalf of NIT Meghalaya to the inaugural function of Annual Technical Festival 2021. It is my privilege to welcome Honorable Chief Guest and Director to this inaugural function. This Annual Technical Festival will be conducted from 3rd to 8th October 2021. This program will be conducted online due to the current pandemic situation around the globe. Now, the students are also feeling bored by sitting in their houses because the COVID pandemic situation has created a boundary between the faculty members and the students. The students are unable to come to the institute since last 2 years. and they are unable to perform, though they have got so much of innovative activities with them, what they cannot perform due to this COVID pandemic situation. Let me spell out a little bit about the NIT Meghalaya because our chief guest should know a little bit about NIT Meghalaya. The National Institute of Technology Meghalaya is an institute of national importance, is offering BTech program in 5 branches of engineering and MTech program in 5 branches of engineering, MSc program in 3 science branches, and PhD program for the full-time scholars and industry and corporate executives. The NIT Meghalaya is ranked 59th in the National Institute of Ranking Framework this year 21. Maybe before 1 week, the Honorable Minister of Education, Srijat Dharmendra Pradhan, has published that NIT Meghalaya is ranked with 59. It is the 14th NIT institute, NIT among all 31 NITs, and the first NIT among all the 10 NITs, new NITs. Let me 1 minute. One minute. In the academics part, we have very highly qualified teachers with good research capability in the different departments, and the institute is procuring many research project and consultancy project in tune of the crores. We are having a center of innovation where the students, the alumni, the faculty are showcasing their innovation in technical part. Now, so far the student activity center is, this is about the academics. So far the student activity center is concerned, it is being managed by the president. The current president is Dr. Amit Pal, and under the student activity center, there are 3 vice president. One is related to cultural, Dr. Biplab Kumar Degunath, vice president cultural, vice president sports, Dr. KSH Milan Singh, and vice president technical, Dr. Dibyendu Wadak. Now this technical annual fest is going on. Now in this annual technical festival, we are having many events like robotics event, like coding club event, like gaming event, and each robotics event are also consisting of different sub events, and in those events the students of National Institute of Technology Meghalaya and the students of other participating institute, is just like a inter competitions. They will showcase their expertise, their innovative ideas, and good prize money, good prizes are being kept in each events. So with this, I am very much thankful to all of my affectionate students. I hope all the students of NIT Meghalaya will be successful in such events. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. May I now request the Honorable Director of our institute, Professor Bibhuti Bhushan Biswal, to address the audience in this inaugural session. Sir, please.
Good evening to all of you. Respected Sri K.J. Patel sir, who is chief guest of this evening on the inaugural ceremony of Cognitia 2021. My colleagues, Professor S. Siddharth, Dean Student Welfare, Professor Amit Pal, President SAC, Vice President Dr. Adak, and my dear students of NIT Meghalaya and other participants. It's again another present moment for me to see that students' function is happening and it is being inaugurated today. Um, and in the possible way that we could find that it has to happen under this mode, virtual mode, we can't help it. We are bound to go ahead with the function because students they don't simply read and write; they do think a lot. This cognitia, which is a name for our technical function for the students, has been a very good platform for the students to showcase their creativity, their technological talents, their narratives, everything over the years. And had it been, in a physical mode, might be, people like Sri Patel could have been here at Shillong today, and we could have enjoyed his company, but can't help it. And the students could have been here with a different level of spirit, technological spirit, and our labs, our classrooms, our grounds could have been in a different form today, and things could have been very, very different. But can't think of that. We do have another function called CC, that is the again another student function for cultural activities. Hopefully, we divide these two big functions into different semesters. One happens in the art semester, another happens in the even semester. So Cognitia is the first one that is happening in the academic year. And next semester probably we shall be holding this CC in a physical mode. CC we shall be holding definitely, but I'm hopeful that it will be in physical mode here in the campus itself. So that's the hope. So let's see. So this Cognitia, so far this technical festival is concerned, we not only invite or not only see the participation of our students, students from other institutes, other colleges. They do also come to participate. A lot of competitions happen, and some prizes go to our students, some prizes go to other students, and it's a different kind of network also that is created through this function. So it has a different taste altogether, and it has a different motive, different purpose for having this function. So I think it's all possible through virtual mode, and in the best possible way, our participants will be doing their bit, and we shall be enjoying the function and seeing the different talents and creativity through their different competitions, and probably we have a good number of participation from other institutes as well, and that will be a very good thing under this mode. I mean, the good thing about this virtual mode is those who were not able to travel down to Shillong and couldn't participate when it was being held in physical mode, that is possible now on this mode. And I think our Vice President and his team, they have divided the competitions which can be possible under this mode again. Some have been added, some have been introduced, and a good prize money is there for everybody, so that people can enjoy. We can't give you only the certificates and shields and cups, but money is also there. But money apart, you have always something to achieve and show to the peers that okay, you stand different from others, and you have some idea which is being appreciated. That's more important, which is being appreciated by others, and you can do more. It gives you more encouragement to do better things in future, and this becomes a realization of what you study, what you think, what you have learned through your experiments, through your laboratory activities. So that is a reflection of your intention and your learning. So that will also be seen during this event. So hoping that the participation will be very good by students of all the institutes out here, and wish you all a very good time during Cognitia 2021, and best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And thank you very much for discussing the disadvantage as well as the advantages of events that are being organized in virtual mode. I would now like to request the chief guest of today's function, Sri K.J. Patel, Senior Executive Director and Unit Head of IFCO Paradip Unit. Sri Patel is a mechanical engineer by education and has approximately 35 years of experience of leading, operating, and maintaining fertilizer manufacturing plants in India as well as Oman. Mr. Patel, please.
A very good evening to all of you. Honorable Director NIT Meghalaya, Professor Biswal, respected President of SSE, respected Vice Presidents, respected Dean, Student Welfare, Professor Das, all the members and team Cognitia 2021, all the students of NIT Meghalaya, and the students of the other institutes who have joined this event virtually, and dear dignitaries on the panel. I feel extremely happy that I've been given the opportunity by NIT Meghalaya to be with you, amongst you, the technical giants, I used to say. And it's really giving me the feeling of getting back home after graduating in 1984. Probably I got very few or rare opportunities to visit my own university or even any of the engineering colleges, barring a few occasions when I was invited. I had been there to have some discussions or delivering some lectures on specific topics of my interest. So once again, with a great heartfelt thanks to NIT Meghalaya, I really feel very, very happy that NIT has started this tech festival even during this pandemic time. It's very tough time for all of us. And on virtual mode, you are going to organize this. Really, it gives me a lot of pleasure from my heart that you are doing this despite of all difficulties. And I seize this phenomenal opportunity to salute the erudite techno scholars, the director of the NIT Meghalaya, all the professors, the experts, and the invitees who have shouldered the onus of transforming the country, and not only the country only, the world as well, and extend my best wishes from the depth of my bosom to the student techies of NIT Meghalaya for being seasoned to reign the future humanity as well-versed engineers. Because ultimately, if you are the well-versed engineers, you will be serving the humanity. So on this lauding 7th edition of annual technical festive occasion, I really feel very proud to be amongst you. the great growling engine of the change, that is nothing but the technology. This is what Alvin Toffler said. And none to deny this fact that in this world of dynamism, when the humanity encounters the novel and baffling situation on its way, we are facing the pandemic of COVID. So the only technology that can come to its miraculous rescue, nothing else will come. And technology will only spearhead the process of change, guiding the world to come out from the dungeon of disaster. Institutions of national importance, that is, the NITs, are being governed by, I understand, it's governed by the National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Act 2007. And these premier technical institutions of our country, they are shaping the future not only for this great nation, but also for the future of the entire world. I find many scholars from NITs when I visit the countries outside in Europe and in America. The NIT Patna, I remember that it is one of the oldest NITs. Probably it was found somewhere in 1886 or so. And in 1924, I think it was termed as Bihar College of Engineering. And thereafter, sometimes in 2004, it was declared as NIT Patna by Government of India. And probably this is the oldest engineering college. I know this college is nearly, I think, ranks around 79 or 80, whereas just 10-year-old NIT Meghalaya, and I think it was started sometime in 2010, and you are ranked 59 amongst all the NITs by MHRD. Really, it's a matter of pride for all of us, and I salute each one of you for doing this wonderful task of taking this NIT Meghalaya to such a wonderful heights amongst all NITs. And probably, as I understood from Dr. Das, Professor Das, when he was telling that you are the at the top for the some 10 numbers of NITs which are very recently started. It's really a matter of very much importance for each one of us, and especially for the eastern part of the country, where NIT is doing this wonderful task with excellence. So our technocrats and engineers, they are of high demand, not across our country, but across the globe. And that's only and only because of their talents and caliber. All those 31 NITs across the nation, they are only steering not only the country, but the world towards a new dawn. I am sanguine enough that our technical institutions will definitely lead the entire world in the future. This has been even repeatedly being told by our Honorable Prime Minister wherever he goes and when he interacts with the people, especially the students, the technical guys. He always refers to the technical caliber, what our institutions in India, they have, our students, what wonderful performance they show when they take admissions outside or when they start working on various projects, and when they go out of country and they demonstrate their caliber and their capabilities. So this kind of fairs, what you are right now organizing, like Cognitia 2021, and that's annually you are doing, it will definitely help the young and budding techies, because they can showcase their talents, and it will boost them to observe their creative journey. And the major events, what I find amongst that literature or the small leaflet what was shared with me, that was about the coding, about the robotics, about the gaming. So these are the key events of this Cognitia 2021. I really feel proud that you have identified the right kind of events during this entire technical festival, and really it will boost the practical knowledge as well as the inherent kind of a technical caliber of the students. It really will be very much helpful to each and everyone who will participate in this technical festival. Nowadays, it's very, very important. I visit several technical institutions, just to have discussions with the departments who handle the recruitment. When the industries approach them, they come forward with their suggestions, the ways out, that how to select the students, what are the ways the industry like ours can gain the advantage of getting good students recruited in our industry. We are handling very crucial cryogenic, toxic liquids like ammonia, several acids, and our chemical plants, which are the world's largest plant, if I talk about Paradip unit. So we need to make sure that the people whom we engage must be of the best caliber. And when I interact with the faculties at different institutes, I find that most of the students, they gain a good technical knowledge which is limited to that theoretical contents. It's nowadays very, very essential that our students get the practical exposure of the industry. If this is done, probably I believe that the right kind of service will be given to the students by the institutes. And in this, I find that NITs are always on the top. Whatever NIT I talk to or I refer to, I find that NITs take very good interest in ensuring that the students get both the best technical knowledge in the classrooms as well as the best exposure of the practical knowledge outside in the industries. So I appreciate this kind of talented behavior of the NITs. Flourishing technology has been realized in this soil of our nation. It's not that the technology has just come now. We find that in Ramayana, in Mahabharata, the arrows of Shri Ram, the arrows of Arjun, they were all what? That was also one of the best technology available in the world and only in our country. Across the world, if you read the history, this is what I understand, that the technological advancements what we had in our country are not, nobody stands to this in the world. So it's really a time to revamp our ancient technology again and make our India world guru. You might have heard many a times our Prime Minister telling that we want to lead and we will lead with the program that's Make in India. And if we have to make this Make in India program successful, this kind of events of Cognitia 2021 will definitely make a great beginning and great change as a catalyst to start this Make in India program as one of the successful moments for the entire country. I really feel proud. Once again, I thank Professor Das and all the members of Team NIT Meghalaya for having invited me, for giving me an opportunity to be amongst you, with you, and to know about the Cognitia 2021. If permitted, I wish to declare a sponsorship prizes for the students of NIT Meghalaya. I will send a check of ₹1 lakh to Professor Das, so that you can kindly use this money for the purpose of Cognitia 2021 celebrations. And I'm sure that with this Cognitia 2021, to the scale you are going to celebrate this for so many long days, I think it's 7 to 10 days long event, it will definitely benefit the students, the bright students of NIT Meghalaya. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing your experience and your insightful words, which I believe have encouraged the students listening to you, and also for the generous support of sponsorship. Okay, I now request our Honorable Director, Professor Biswal, to declare the Technical Fest Cognitia 2021 open. Director sir. I think sir got busy. So may I request our chief guest, Mr. KJ Patel, to declare the Technical Fest Cognitia open?
Yes, sir, sure. I take this proud privilege to declare this Cognitia 2021 open, and I wish all the grand success and best wishes to all the members of NIT team. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I now hand over the charge of this function to the Cognitia team. Please.
Thank you very much, sir. I now request Dr. Dibyendu Adak, Vice President Technical, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected Director Sir, Professor Bibhuti Bhushan Biswal, and Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Sri KJ Patel, Dean Student Welfare, President, Student Activity Center, distinguished guests, faculty members, staff, and my dear students. A very good evening to one and all. Being the Vice President of the Technical Committee, it is a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of the thanks on this auspicious occasion of Annual Technical Fest, Cognitia 2021. First and foremost, my sincere thanks goes to our respected Director Sir, Professor Bibhuti Bhushan Biswal, for his constant support, valuable guidance, and encouragement for Cognitia 2021. Also, I must thank the respected chief guest of today's program, Sri KJ Patel Sir, Senior Executive Director, IFCO, for accepting our invitation. I want to thank to Professor H.C. Das, Dean Student Welfare, and Dr. Amit Kumar Pal, President Student Activity Center, NIT Meghalaya, for their valuable guidance and constant support throughout the preparation of this event. Also, I take an immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to the member of the technical committee, Dr. Subhankar Majumdar, coding club in charge, and Dr. Bunil Kumar Balabantre, robotic club in charge, who have worked hard to ensure this occasion become memorable success. At last but not the least, I must appreciate the contribution made by General Secretaries, technical, coordinator, co-coordinators, members of all the events for their tireless effort to make Cognitia 2021 successful. Once again, I thank you all for your kind attention and valuable presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Coming to the end, I would like to say NIT Meghalaya welcomes you all to this delightful spectacle of every culture on one platform among the cold and refreshing hills of Shillong, where you could came out of the most magical moments of your life, where nature and culture unroll their magical together, and where you would travel back into time and relive those magical moments. So, on the behalf of the entire Cognitia team, we hope each of you have an amazing fest ahead. Also, our mainstream event is scheduled from October 3, 10 a.m. onwards to October 8, 2021. And the invitation and the registration link has been sent to all the students and faculty of NIT Meghalaya. For more details, you can also visit our website cognitia.co.in. Last but not the least, our heartiest congratulations to the entire Cognitia team that has worked so hard to put up this fest. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Kapil, sir.
Wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can stop the recording.